Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Coach Kimmy and I am a salon owner, hairstylist, strategic life coach, and an author. You can find my books and courses in the description below, or you could get it on my website, coach-kimmy.com, and that's with a Y. So I'm excited for you to be on this channel. Let's get started. You'll never know I had short hair. See that? And then you just put those pins in there. Take silver and you take it and you push it in backwards. You're gonna secure it. And these are like open ones. You take it and you secure it. Those are a lot easier to do with short hair, because short hair seems hard to put up, but it's really not. And I like the little bit falling down. It's so pretty. Let me show you. And you're just going to kind of keep doing it until you feel that it's secure and safe. Now you see right there, right? So I get this. And if you need to like just push it out a little bit just to hold that in better, there we go. Yeah. And then the one right here, get that little piece in. I like it loose and docile anyway. I don't like it like so stuck together. So I like this little bit. I probably like a little bit more down here. And then there you go. And you could do a couple more the bobby pins if you wanted, but you know, and if I want to do it down here, you clip this up, you take the bobby pin and you grab it and you tuck it in. See how that works? Let me do another one. See it? Grab it. Well, you want to grab it maybe back here and tuck it in. Yeah. And you want to hide those clips anyway. And actually, like right here, you see it like here. You want to also grab it. You want to do that again, that little part, and just kind of grab it and tuck it in. Like you have to just find the pieces and the places. And not that you can't use like a stronger bobby pin, which is this one for some pieces, but most of them you could do with the other thing. But you know what? You wouldn't know that I had short hair, that's for sure. So how fun is that? You get to change and shift. And you could even put little tiny clips in certain places if you think like, oh, you need to like cover it up. And I'm going to just do one more just for fun. And look, you feel them, right? Your intuition. I love not perfection. I love better done than perfect. Right? Just something relaxed, a cute little updo, and nobody will know you have short hair if you wanted to feel like you had long hair. It's just a little trick to do. This is Coach Kimmy. I hope you enjoyed this little tip and trick. Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here. Are you a hairstylist and you do not know how to build a clientele? I'm just going to tell you the greatest thing that you could do is use your imagination. Right? Einstein says your imagination is greater than knowledge. What does that mean? That means that your imagination can create your reality. I love neuroscience. It says your personality creates your personal reality, right? We don't even realize how much of our negative mindset brings us back to think we have a million excuses why we're not booked, why people are not coming back to us. Well, because they can't afford it. Well, or because everything's high right now. What is it called? Inflation. Inflation is going on right now, right? So the problem is if we keep making those excuses and we don't put ourselves out there as a hairstylist, then maybe you're in the wrong profession, right? I feel like the salon suites have been developed because it's hard sometimes to be in a group of a whole bunch of other people and get along with personalities. But if you learn your own personality and you self-regulate yourself, the hardest person to lead is ourself. When we start learning to lead ourselves right and well, we discipline ourselves, we give ourselves a command and we follow through with it, right? You're worthy enough to have a following. You're worthy enough to practice more. You're worthy enough to have joy and to have happiness in your life. You are worthy enough. If nobody's told you, I'm telling you now, you are worthy enough. God created us worthy enough of abundance of joy, right? But sometimes we don't know how to find that. We don't know how to get that. First of all, you need to ask God to come in your heart. I think, who wouldn't want to have a 24/7 best friend? God is my best friend. He's my anchor. He's my foundation. Like, I will do nothing without him. I talk to him all day long. It's great to have a 24/7 best friend, right? To know that somebody's always for you and never against you. Always on your side, because he helps me get stronger and stronger and stronger. He helps me get better and better and better at whatever it is I want to do, because I believe and trust him that he has my well-being for his best interest, right? He's going to direct and guide me. And when you have that strength of hope, and I want to say security, right? You can live in a much more healthier state emotionally, because that's the thing, guys. Imagination will create your reality. So if you want to imagine your following, you want to imagine how beautiful and special and important you want to imagine yourself as a pro, you want to imagine yourself like putting the work into it, right? I love what Britiva said. She says, confidence comes from knowing you put the work into it. If you give 100% of the time for the investment of your future, you will be successful. And that's by Jim Rohn. Right? We take good management of bad experiences leads to great growth. That's by John Maxwell. I love what Steve Jobs says. He says, you can only count the dots looking backwards. You got to find out, is this your profession? Is this what you really want? Are you fully invested? Are you willing to get out of your comfort zone to push yourself past being comfortable? Right? A lot of people say, well, that's not me. I don't want to do social media. Then don't do hair. If you're slow and you don't want to do social media, then don't do hair. It might not be your profession anymore. You know, I don't want to be a news of bad bearer, but if you're not making money doing hair, it's because maybe you're not fully invested. Maybe you don't want to do social media. Maybe because you feel like your personality is not that. Well, then it's okay, because there's a million other things that you could do, right? There's so many different career paths and choices that you can make. But if you chose to be a hairstylist, you need to push out of your comfort zone. You need to get uncomfortable and you need to talk to people. You need to say, hey, I'm Kimmy, and I just want you to know that's my specialty haircut. I love your hair. If you ever need a new hairstylist, here's my card. Here you go. Listen, I post all my stuff that I do. You could take videos of yourself doing a haircut that you're really good at. Let's just say you can only do blow dries. Pick your top 2 to 3 blow dries and just do it all day long, and do it in a camera and post it. And you're going to see people are going to come to you for blow dries. And then if you get good at doing touch-ups and color, now you could do touch-ups and blow dries all day long. And you can make great money just being a colorist. Trust me, you can make more money than cutting hair. Color is so huge and so big right now. So I just want you to know, I want you to learn to use your imagination, see yourself powerful, see your abundance, see people crammed and jammed, lined up for you to get in your chair, because you're going to use your imagination. Einstein says your imagination is greater than knowledge. Create your reality by imagining it, seeing it, believing it, and practicing it, right? Because you have to take action. I love what Picasso said. I thought it was Picasso. It's not. It's Van Gogh. So I'm sure Picasso said it because I seen it from his quote, but it's really from Van Gogh. It says, I dreamed my painting and then I painted my dream. So we create this reality and then we start to practice the things that we really want to get good at. And let me tell you, you're going to see a transformation. So use your imagination. I use my imagination for cutting hair. I use my imagination for building my following. I use my imagination. And of course, the law of attraction, right? I attract who I am. So you're going to attract who you are. If you need better clients, then you need to change your attitude. You need to change your mindset. You need to change who you are so that you can create who it is you want to attract. Attract good things. First of all, become that good thing. Everything that you want in somebody else or you want in a client, you become. Right? What does a client want? They want loyalty. They want somebody who's a professional that knows what they're doing. They want somebody that's going to teach them about their hair. They want the hair doctor, tell them what products to use, what products not to use. They want somebody educated. We need to educate ourselves to give our clients good things. So listen, imagination and massive action will get you everything that you want. This is Coach Kimmy. I hope you have a great day.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, and share this video.